It starts with potential. If I can make a dent, or if I can make the world a better place, that would be my dream. I was born and raised in Kenya after 4 brothers, and seeing them enjoy maths and sciences and physics kind of lured me into STEM. I came from aeronautics, looking at better cooling techniques for aircraft engines. And my pivot is in exploring the potential use of eco-friendly fuels for space propulsion. My research is particularly looking at beeswax to power satellites, trying to understand and predict how eco-friendly fuels is formed on Earth and in space. In my PhD work, I was looking at fluid flow, but it was on Earth operating conditions. So we have gravity. But when you talk of space, gravity is almost zero, and that changes the whole game. You put liquid in a tube and then you spin it. Think of when you are washing clothes in a laundry machine, and then it spins, sending this liquid near the walls. And then when the heat is taken away from the liquid, it solidifies and forms a fuel grain. The quality of the fuel will differ based on different chemical properties of the liquid inside. If you use a longer tube, if you use a bigger diameter tube. Through our research, we hope it will get to a point where we can almost accurately predict the time it takes to form the fuel grain and the quality of that fuel grain. If we can use beeswax as a fuel, sustainable rocket/satellite fuels can change the world. Beeswax is a byproduct of honey production. It's reusable. So if we use a fuel that is reusable, that is more sustainable, then we are addressing the climate change issue. I have a lot of opportunities that girls, where I come from, don't have. And that realization forces me to strive for more. My biggest desire, my biggest dream out of this research is if eco-friendly fuels for satellites were accessible to nations around the world that were previously not spacefaring, and they could use this fuel to send their own satellites in space. That would be my happiness.